Imagine a sky filled with clouds, floating freely, bringing both shade and the promise of rain. The Quran, the holy book of Muslims, gives us a profound insight into the nature of these clouds. It says, "It is He who shows you the lightning, causing fear and hope. And He produces the heavy clouds." Quran 13:12 It is He who shows you among His signs the lightning, which is the bright light through the clouds. You fear that it may send you burning bolts, and you hope that it will bring down with it the rain. And by His power, glory be to Him, He creates the clouds laden with abundant rainwater. Quran 13:12. Today, we will explore the deep meaning of these laden clouds and discover the fascinating concordance between divine revelation and modern science. Ancient civilizations perceived clouds mainly through the lens of their visual observations and their cultural and religious beliefs. In many cultures, clouds were associated with deities or supernatural forces. For example, in Greek mythology, Zeus, the god of the sky, was often depicted throwing lightning from a cloud. Clouds were often seen as messengers or signs from the gods, bringing omens or divine messages. As science and technology advanced, our understanding of clouds and meteorology in general has deepened considerably. The mysteries that once surrounded clouds began to be elucidated thanks to scientific discoveries and innovations. The advent of meteorological instruments marked a turning point in the study of clouds. Tools such as barometers, anemometers, and later, radiosondes, allowed scientists to accurately measure parameters such as atmospheric pressure, wind speed, and humidity. These instruments provided a clearer view of the processes taking place in the atmosphere and laid the groundwork for modern meteorology. With the development of weather radar in the 20th century, meteorologists were able to see inside clouds for the first time, providing valuable insights into their internal structure, movement, and precipitation potential. Technological advancements have unveiled astonishing facts about clouds. For instance, a cumulus, that white and fluffy cloud we often see on a sunny day, can contain hundreds to thousands of tons of water. Imagine this: the water mass contained in a single cumulus could weigh as much as several dozens of elephants. Weather radars and satellites have been instrumental in revealing this information. These tools have allowed scientists to analyze the internal structure of clouds, their movement, and their precipitation potential, offering a deeper understanding of these majestic formations in the sky. The Quran, long before modern scientific discoveries, alluded to the nature of clouds. The verse says, "It is He who shows you the lightning, causing fear and hope. And He produces the heavy clouds." Quran 13:12. This mention of heavy clouds has piqued the interest and reflection of many scholars and researchers throughout the ages. In this verse, the term heavy is often interpreted as referring to water-laden clouds, ready to pour rain. In the context of the time of the Quran's revelation, this could mean clouds bearing blessings in the form of nourishing rain, but also potential threats in the form of violent storms. With our current understanding of clouds and their composition, the term heavy clouds takes on an even deeper meaning. As we discussed earlier, a typical cumulus can contain hundreds to thousands of tons of water. This modern scientific realization seems to align with the Quranic description of heavy clouds, suggesting a heaviness or density. This concordance between the sacred text and modern science offers a fascinating perspective on how ancient texts can be interpreted in light of current knowledge. It also underscores the importance of continuing to explore and reflect on these texts with an open and curious mind, taking into account scientific advancements. Dear viewers, the relationship between faith and science has often been a source of debate and discussion. However, as our exploration of the heaviness of clouds shows, there are moments where the two harmoniously coincide. Rather than viewing them as opposing domains, we can see them as complementary paths to truth. The Quran, while being a spiritual guide, contains elements that coincide with scientific discoveries. This invites deeper reflection on how faith can inform and be enriched by science, and vice versa. Ultimately, the quest for knowledge, whether spiritual or scientific, is a noble pursuit that can bring us closer to understanding the universe around us. As we have come to the end of our topic, remember, dear viewers, if this video has inspired or enlightened you in any way, we would love to hear your thoughts. Share your opinions and comments below. If you wish to learn more about similar topics or if you appreciate our content, don't forget to click the subscribe button to not miss any of our upcoming videos. And if you think this video might interest someone you know, feel free to share it. Together, let's continue to explore and deepen our understanding of faith and science. Thank you for joining us today and see you soon for a new exploration.